In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export products from Shopify and import them into WooCommerce. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way, so you can move your product data accurately and avoid common mistakes along the way. This workflow is especially useful if you're migrating stores or just need to transfer a product catalog from one platform to another. First, sign in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Products section, then open All Products. This is where you'll see your full catalog and prepare the export. Next, click Export. Shopify will give you the option to export all products or only selected products. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you're moving your entire store catalog, exporting all products is usually the best choice. If you're only testing the process first, exporting a smaller selection can help you catch formatting issues before doing a full import. After that, export the products as a CSV file. Once the file is ready, download it and save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. Before making any changes, back up the original file. This is an important safety step because if anything goes wrong during editing or importing, you'll still have a clean copy to return to. Now switch over to your WooCommerce dashboard. In WooCommerce, go to Products and then select Import. This is where you'll upload the CSV file you exported from Shopify. Choose the Shopify CSV file from your computer and upload it. After the upload, WooCommerce will ask you to match the columns from the Shopify file with WooCommerce product fields. Take your time here because this step determines where your product titles, descriptions, prices, inventory, images, and other data will appear in WooCommerce. If a field is matched incorrectly, the imported products may not display the way you expect. Once the column mapping looks correct, start the import. Depending on how many products you have, this may take a little time, so let the process finish completely before moving on. When the import is done, carefully review the products inside WooCommerce. Check product names, prices, descriptions, images, and inventory levels to make sure everything came over correctly. It's a good idea to open several products individually, not just glance at the product list, so you can confirm the details are accurate. Finally, manually correct any unsupported variants or missing information. Since Shopify and WooCommerce don't always structure product data the same way, some options or variant details may need to be adjusted by hand after the import. That's the full process for moving products from Shopify to WooCommerce safely and efficiently.